Well, the wind's calmed down here enough. I think I can finally explain to you guys what we got going on here today. So I promised you eventually I'd be doing something with blacksmithing, but I'm not set up. Obviously, we're not even close to being set up with anything proper or gentlemanly yet. But if you guys are looking to get into blacksmithing, you're just in the backyard cranking out your own tools. Here comes the damn wind again. But anyway, this is the way you could do it, and do it kind of easily. I've just got a piece of black iron pipe, an old heat gun that the elements burn out in. It feeds right down, right into the fire right in there. And I'm just using barn scrap and some hardwood mixed in together. To be honest with you, I'm finding that the pine's actually heating the metal better. It's burning a little hotter. But I turned the blower. Of course, the fire's roaring right now, so it's pretty lively already. But so I kind of build this thing tall just so I can trap as much heat as I can inside of it. And now you think about how they did it in ancient times. You know, they'd build a clay forge. It'd be kind of a domed affair, and then they'd have a blow, like a straw type deal. They'd blow air into it. That's kind of, we're doing the same thing here. We're just having a little modern technology help me. I mean, all I have is two pieces of railroad track welded together for an anvil, a fire pit, some pine, and a piece of 1080 steel we're making a debarking draw knife with. But let's swing the camera around over here to the anvil. The wind is picking up, so I don't know how good this audio is going to do. But I'll show you how hot we're getting this. We're hitting forging temperatures just fine with it. And I don't know if we'd quite get we would quite get forge welding temperatures with this setup, but there are people who are doing it with wood, with special wood forges. So let me swing you around. I'll pull this out, get it over to the anvil. You do kind of work quick because of the wind out here today. It's cold enough, it cools that metal down really fast. It was just calming down too, to where I wasn't getting it. As soon as I go to talk, don't we start getting the wind? Let's see what we have. That gets it plenty hot enough. If it was a little darker out, it'd be a lot easier to see this. But see how we're getting a little mill scale? Hey, hats off to guys who do this every day, because my arms are getting tired. So I kind of try to keep straightening as I go. I've got a little bit of a twist in there. We're going to have to get out of it, but of course I'm using a pair of bolt tongs. So I've drawn out the handles a little bit, but kind of get the idea. I mean, like I said, there could be a lot of straightening out, but I've almost had this about as wide as I want it. I want to get it just a little bit thinner, going for right around 1/4 of an inch, and then I can start pounding out this cutting edge on it. It's going to go from about here to here. We're going to draw the reins out a little bit more on it, and we're going to go from there. I got to get this back in the fire though. I've got to draw that handle out some more. Plenty of work to do on it. We won't get it done tonight, but I thought I'd show you kind of the idea behind what we're doing. Kind of a little something different than the timber frame build, you know what I mean? It's nice to switch it up once in a while.